Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today I am planning the week of October 19th through the 25th. So I can't actually talk about the week prior because I haven't done it yet. I am actually filming, I just filmed this video and now I'm filming this video because I'm going to be gone so much next week. I'm not going to have time to film it. I'll be able to edit it when I'm home on Sunday, but I will not be able to film it. So I'm going to film it now. So for this week, I am actually going to be using a Cricut Paper Co kit. I'm kind of going with the Halloween theme for me, which is kind of like movies and fun. And for this one, I am using the Scare School kit. So I actually got the mini kit and then the washi and date covers add-on. So I am going to have a lot of boxes to fill and I will probably have a lot left over. But that is fine and I am excited. This is exciting. So yes, so I'm going to get going because I don't want this video to be too crazy long, like I'm pretty sure last week's video was, because after I finished filming it, I was like, wow, that's going to be a long video. So here we go. I'm going to do my outline real quick. I'm not going to do the weather since we are too far out for me to actually do the weather, so I will be doing that on my own just when I have time sometime next week. So I will be right back. Okay, so here it is. My gosh, this kit is so cute. I am so excited to use it. So let's just jump right in here. And I'm not actually going to be worried about what stickers I use because I have a ton. So, if it'll come up here. This is Scotty's first day of in-person school on the 19th. Which is very exciting. I'm going to write that in because I did not use any sticky notes this week because I kind of, impromptu was like, okay, we're going to film this video now. So I'm going to fill in some of the writing so that I can remember what I'm doing since I don't have sticky notes to remind me what I'm supposed to be writing. So because his belt test is the weekend before, since he will be going up to a green belt, he would start, his days of Taekwondo are going to be different now. So since they still haven't decided if they're going to be doing a belt ceremony or not, they may just give it to him their first day of classes. So his first day of class may be on Monday, but it might not be until Wednesday after the belt ceremony. So we're just gonna kind of have to wait and see with scheduling stuff on here, but it's okay. So then we've got lots of Taekwondo stickers now. Well, we had lots before, but now we're just more. They're all spread out. Okay, so there are all the Taekwondo stickers. I'm going to lay out all the Taekwondo words real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's that. So yeah, all that's happening on Monday is he just has his first day of school. So I also picked up from Planner Kate, I picked up some script stickers that say pick up so that I can put in here when Scotty's done with school. I mean, it's not like I'm going to forget to pick up my child, but it's more that it's going to be able to kind of block that time out during the day for me to kind of realize like, okay, picking up isn't just going to be instantaneous. Like I'm not going to at 3:25 on the dot suddenly have my child in the car. So it kind of helps block out that whole 3 o'clock hour. So that is for uploading for my next video, and then I'm going to film and edit. We're going to go back to the regular filming and editing schedule this week, which will be nice. This is kind of weird, filming this so far in advance and filming it on a Thursday. Like, my mind is just like, no, this can't be right. Okay, so now that those are down, I think that is all of the regular things I'm going to be doing. So, let's see. Juliette has preschool again. So I will still be taking her to Stephanie's house for preschool while Scotty is in school. More than likely, what I will do is I will probably end up scheduling my prenatal appointments then hopefully once I'm pregnant. And then I won't have to worry about finding childcare for Juliette, which will be nice. So we have, let's see, I've got a green sticker there, so we need to find a different color sticker. I'm doing the bag assembly at my church for the craft bags that we're doing for Halloween. I'm very excited that we're getting to do that for my church and for the families of the church. I think that's going to be so great. I am also going to be testing on Tuesday to see if I'm pregnant. So we'll see how that goes. Obviously, y'all won't know until things are official. And obviously the guys know. So I will not be revealing my tests on Instagram or anything like that. That's going to be kept completely personal, just like last time. But I thought I'd warn y'all now that that's what's happening. Let's see. So get this doodle girl here. And then I will also be doing a grocery run. Since I still do my grocery runs on Mondays, I prefer to do them then. I think it's much easier to do my grocery runs. Recently, I've been taking Juliette with me, but since Scotty's going to be at school, I will probably leave Juliette with James so that I can do a grocery run by myself, which will be real nice. Okay, and then while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to put down my Once More with Love stickers for filming, editing, and uploading. I love these stickers. I love this book. I think I've already told y'all before how much I love this book, but I'm gonna just say it again. I love this book. I think it is so handy to be able to keep all of my Once More with Love stickers in here. It's just awesome. Let's see, so I'll be testing there, and then Wednesday, I don't have anything planned as of right now. So, yep, that'll just be like that, and then with Taekwondo, and then Thursday, we have Little Phoenix. Again, I don't have anything planned for Thursday. I do on Thursday night, I want to have a little bit of self-care. Take care of myself, do a little bit of meditation just to make sure everything, just staying nice and calm for transfer this time. Staying nice and calm for the little embryo on board. We're just keeping everything nice. And then my mother-in-law's birthday is actually this day, so I'm gonna make sure I have that in there. Sorry, this is so scatterbrained because I didn't put any sticky notes down and it shows. It shows. I am all over the place. But it's fine. I think you guys can hang. You like it, right? You like when things are kind of out of control, right? Or am I making that up? I'm going to pretend you guys think it's awesome. All right. So when my brother came to stay with us, he's going to come. He's here on Monday. And then he is actually carpooling with me to the airport, and he's going to fly to see my dad. And so then on Saturday is when he actually flies back. So I'll be picking him up from the airport on that day. And then Sunday is when we are actually handing out the treat bags. So finally all our hard work is going to be paying off then. So I think I'll probably take the kids with me to hand out treat bags. I don't know. I haven't actually decided yet. But we'll see. We'll see what happens here. I'm just not 100% sure because I don't want to, I don't want to bring them if they're going to be super bored, and they might be super bored, but they may also think it's great to get to see all of their friends. And, they're not going to see them in person, really. They're going to see them from their cars, but I think they still may really like that. So I might bring them with me, and that'll be nice for James too, so that James can kind of just have some, time to himself since he'll have been alone with the kids for 3 days. So I think that's probably what I'll do is I'll probably bring them with me just so that, James can have some time to himself and the kids can see their friends. And yeah, I think it'll be nice for everyone. So we're just adding the random doodle girls in here just because, how I love those doodle girls. And then I'm meal planning here, and I think that's it. Let me look at a previous week just to see if there's any regular things I'm missing. Oh, I do need to put the football game here. Oh, I'm glad I looked this up because the football game is actually on Monday. They have the Monday night game. So I'll be putting that here. There you go. So Monday night football here. And yeah, that seems to be about it. I've got both of these here. I'm trying out this week, the AM routine and PM routine. So I will be posting on Instagram how that went. I'm sure you've already seen that at this point. So I'm going back to this again because just doing this 7 of these, like those sheets will run out super fast. So I'm going to try and kind of alternate and see kind of what happens there. So I am going to go through and write everything down, and then we will recap, and that'll be it. Okay, so here's this week. It turned out great. One of the things I love doing with my Cricut Paper Co. kits is as the week goes on, in the spots where I have space, I will put these decorative stickers in there to kind of fill it out. I'll show you a week I've done before. So I did it like on this week. So, as the day passed and nothing came up, I would put a fun decorative sticker in there just to kind of take up some space and to get to use my decorative stickers. So this is what I have left over. I have quite a bit for if things pop up, and more than likely they will. Once I actually get close to this time is when I will figure out when I'm going to be doing like some cleaning, some laundry, because that's going to be a lot easier with Scotty in school. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and staying engaged and active on my channel. It just means the world to me. I love seeing when people comment and when people like my videos. It just warms my heart. So don't forget to subscribe and to hit that bell so you know when I post videos. I do always post videos on Mondays. That's when I post my plan with me's. I'm hoping to post another surrogacy video soon. I'd like to do one about my transfer this time since I didn't end up doing one for my last transfer, mainly because I wanted to wait to see if that transfer would work or not, and that transfer did not end up working. So I think this time I'm just going to wait and see what happens, and then I will do just a fun whole recap video of the transfer and what happened. And yeah, I think that'll be really great. So subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when that video ends up coming. And I hope everyone has a wonderful week. This is the last full week of October, if you can believe it. We are heading into November, and we still have Halloween, obviously, but we are heading into November, and that is really exciting. I love the holiday season. It's my favorite time of year. So I cannot wait to be on that journey with y'all. So thank you again for watching, and I will see y'all next week. Bye-bye.